There are too many colors. I'm here at Walmart and I'm trying to pick out a color because I'm trying to be a good husband and I want to paint a special room. So let's see what I can do. Okay, I know it's been a long time since I've done some painting. It's been about a year, no, less than a year. But my God, look at the prices. I mean, has this not gone through the freaking roof? Well, this was a horrible trip to Walmart on this rainy day. I just spent an hour and a half in Walmart. Number one, because it took me forever to find somebody to mix that paint. Number two, because when you work at a place that I do, you know everybody, and they stop you and they start asking you questions. So okay, I started out at 10:30 a.m. and it's already like 12 something. So let's get home, let's do this. So I don't have much time because Wai gets off work at like, let me see, 6 o'clock or so, and I'm gonna have to do this room in that amount of time. So I had to get something to eat. I got Arby's. And I do love their jalapeno bites. I know it's jalapeno, but I call them jalapenos just because. Just my little inside joke, I guess, that nobody ever gets. And I got the burger. Have you ever had a burger from Arby's? I have. They're really good. They are. Really good. So, there's my burger. My jalapeno bites. Coke Zero. So let's eat and then I'm gonna get started. So here it is. Here's the room. Wai Yan wants this as a workroom / office. When we bought this house, we redid everything except for this room because I said this room is going to be the room that doesn't exist because I was so tired of doing all this. And every room in the house was either this color or another color called salamander. It was horrid. Yeah, when in another video I was talking about all the houses around here are kind of fixer-uppers. Yeah, this was a really deep fixer-upper, and I did not know what I was getting into. But it's okay. It's okay. It'll be all right. So this room has just sat here until now. And there were so many holes in the walls. I don't know if you can see it, but I had to put that stuff in. I did not use tools to put that in. I just used my fingers and just dabbed it in and then circled, and it's pretty smooth already. So now I just need to start painting. So stay tuned if you want to see the color. Okay, so I've changed clothes and I wanted to show you this. This is what I got to fill those little holes. And here's what it looks like inside. That's how much I used. Yeah, just on those little bitty holes over there and around the rest of the room. Again, just put some on your finger, dab it in, and then kind of swirl it around, and it's pretty smooth, especially for little holes like that. I also got this. This was a whole lot cheaper than buying all of this individually. So, okay, let's see. Let's start. Get all this stuff set up, then we'll go. Okay, I should have looked at it better. This is what you got. This is what comes in that. And I'm gonna play hell getting this off after I do paint. Look at this. This is so freaking stupid. But it's okay. It's okay. And this thing will not even sit in my ladder. That part. It's too big. Okay. Let's do this. Let's open this paint, get it stirred up, and then start painting. Okay, so here it goes. Let's get this started. I hate painting paneling like this because getting in the grooves is hard, and well, I already know it's going to take a couple more coats after this. So there's what we got. The color is called Winter Peach, and it's, see, I'm just a tad colorblind. And colors like this looks white to me. Or maybe a little bit of an off-white. But it's supposed to be Winter Peach. But okay, so let's see what happens. So I'm halfway done with the first coat. And can you tell? The lights went out. It's raining. The wind is blowing so hard that the roof on my garage over here is shaking. And now the lights are out. And the air conditioner is off. Whoo! What else? What else? Why did I do this today? Why did I do this? I wanted to be a good husband. That's why I did this. But okay, I'm halfway finished with the first coat. Okay. I can do this, right? Okay, the electricity is back on. The wind is still blowing really hard. And there's fire trucks going down that way into what they call Old Loyal. Hear them? Yeah. Anyway, so... oh, let me get this finished. Woo, I'm melting. But, like I said, the electricity's back on. I have finished the first coat. Yeah. And I have noticed something. I noticed that that side over there is taller than this side. So I don't know exactly what's wrong. I don't know if it's the floor. I don't know if it's the wall. But I'm going to have to get somebody to come in and look at that. Because, yeah, that's just not good. I don't know what that means. But anyway, okay, so there it is. First coat done. Okay, so let me show you the inside of this closet, which I painted everything. I painted, yeah, the door frame and everything, because I'm just going to have to go back and redo. There was a big place that I had to patch right there. And look at this. There's not even wall there. And on the inside of this, yeah, there's nothing. Same thing with this. Nothing inside that. Another problem that I found is the window. Yep, right there. There's water damage there. It has been fixed, but I'm going to have to get that replaced. And I actually never thought that I would do anything with this room because there's no view, because right there is the garage. So you have no view. But Wai wants this as a little office. Yeah, the floor too. Haven't done anything to the floor. There was carpet in here. Had to tear that nasty stuff up. And there's nails, staples all in the floor. Still got to get those up. But the big thing is the painting. And I haven't done the ceiling. I'll do that later. Not today. But yeah, so there's this tiny room, and I have finished with the first coat, and I'm getting ready to start on the second, which it's a little wet in spots, but it'll be okay because I usually wait 1-2 hours and then do the next coat, so I don't think it's gonna hurt. Here I am in the middle of coat number 2. It's looking good. I waited about an hour, hour and a half before I started putting on the second coat. So I did right because it's looking good. It's 4:45 p.m. I need to get this done before 6 o'clock, but I'm gonna have to have a break because I am melting. So I done my second coat, and I think I've done it. So if you will look right here, you will see what it was before. And then if you'll look right over here, you'll see what it looks like after. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I'm done for today. It's still looking stormy out, but sitting out here in the nice cold breeze after being in there burning up. And of course I have to go to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna be dead. I'm gonna be sore, I know I am. But okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.